To file a complaint in the barangay, you need to understand the process of the barangay justice system, also known as Katarungang Pambarangay. This system is a community-based approach to resolving disputes before they reach the courts. Filing a complaint in the barangay. Isa. Determine jurisdiction. The barangay can handle disputes between residents of the same barangay or other barangays within the same city or municipality. This typically includes matters but not limited to A. Debt disputes. B. Property-related issues, example, boundary disputes. C. Neighborly conflicts. D. Family disputes, excluding cases of domestic violence. Domestic violence can be referred immediately to BAUC, ASHDESC or to the punong barangay for barangay protection order. E. Minor criminal cases punishable by less than 1 year of imprisonment or fines below 5,000 pesos. 2. Prepare your complaint. Prepare a written or oral complaint that clearly outlines the nature of the dispute, the parties involved, and the relief sought. You can request assistance from the barangay secretary, punong barangay, or the lupong tagapamayapa, peace council, in drafting the complaint. Some barangays have their own complaint form that you can just fill out. 3. Submit the complaint. Go to the barangay hall and submit your complaint to the barangay secretary, punong barangay or the lupong tagapamayapa. 4. Pay for filing fee. Most barangays require filing fees. 5. Mediation. The punong barangay or the designated member of the lupong tagapamayapa will attempt to mediate the dispute. Both parties are summoned to a meeting to discuss the issue and reach a mutually acceptable agreement. 5. Conciliation. If mediation fails, the case proceeds to conciliation. A panel of lupong tagapamayapa members, known as the Pangkat ng Tagapagkasundo, Conciliation Panel, will try to reconcile the parties. 6. Arbitration. If conciliation doesn't yield a resolution, the parties may agree to submit the dispute to arbitration by the lupong tagapamayapa. 7. Certification to file action, CFA. If the dispute remains unresolved at the barangay level, the punong barangay or lupong tagapamayapa issues a certification to file action, CFA. This allows the complainant to escalate the case to the appropriate court or agency. Key participants. Isa. Punong barangay. The head of the barangay, responsible for overseeing the dispute resolution process. 2. Lupong tagapamayapa. The Peace Council, composed of barangay residents selected for their integrity and ability to mediate. 3. Pangkat ng tagapagkasundo. The Conciliation Panel, a group of lupong tagapamayapa members who facilitate conciliation hearings. Benefits of the barangay justice system. Isa. Accessibility and informality. 2. Community-centered solutions. 3. Speed and cost savings. 4. Reduce the caseload in formal courts. Limitations of the barangay justice system. Isa. Enforcement difficulties. 2. Limited scope of disputes. 3. Potential perceived bias. 4. Lack of formal legal representation. The following examples are minor criminal cases that can be filed in the barangay which are punishable by imprisonment of less than 1 year or fines not exceeding 5,000 pesos, as outlined in the Katarungang Pambarangay Law. Isa. Property-related offenses. A. Theft, Article 309, Revised Penal Code, if the stolen property's value does not exceed 500 pesos. B. Swindling, Estafa, Article 315, involving amounts below 200 pesos. C. Malicious mischief, Article 328, if property damage is under 1,000 pesos. D. Trespassing, Article 280 and 281, without violence or intimidation. 2. Physical harm and threats. A. Slight physical injuries, Article 266, resulting in minor harm. B. Light threats, Article 283 and 285, involving non-serious intimidation. C. Grave coercion, Article 286, in minor disputes such as forcing someone to act against their will. 3. Public order and safety. A. Alarms and scandals, Article 155, causing public disturbances like excessive noise or brawls. B. Unlawful use of means of publication, Article 154, involving false statements in public documents. 4. Family and community disputes. A. Abandonment of a minor, Article 276, by guardians. B. Inducing a minor to abandon home, Article 271. C. Domestic disputes, excluding violence covered by RA 9262. 5. Other minor offenses. A. Defamation, example, damaging reputation through gossip. B. Animal trespass causing minor property damage. Exclusions. Cases involving violence against women, children or sexual harassment may directly proceed to the barangay BAUC, ASHDESC or other concerned government entities. Serious crimes, like murder and robbery, or disputes between residents of different municipalities must bypass the barangay and proceed to concerned government entities or to courts. The barangay justice system is a vital component of the Philippine legal framework, offering an accessible and community-based avenue for resolving disputes. It emphasizes mediation and conciliation, reflecting the Filipino cultural values of community and cooperation.
Upholding honest practices in governance ensures that all voices are heard and respected. Communities flourish when individuals engage actively, fostering a culture of trust and collaboration. In this environment, safety flourishes and the dignity of every person is cherished, creating a harmonious place for all to thrive.